out. Kayla, look. Now I can't open it. Let's just get out those little blue candies from here. I know they're in here.
I think she's sleeping.
Oh, you want these? She's just like, I'm awake now.
That is crazy.
Awake now.
Oh, you're awake now. I thought you...
Can I have two? Yeah. Okay, here you go. Thank you. You're welcome.
Give me one of those little candies.
Here.
Thank you. Thanks.
You want your own, Austin?
What?
Do you want your own?